Ever feel like you're stuck in the friend zone? Or maybe conversations fizzle out before they even get interesting? You're trying. You're putting yourself out there, but you're just not sparking that deep attraction, that feeling that makes her think about you long after the date is over. You're not alone. Most guys struggle with this. We're taught to talk about ourselves, to prove our worth. But what if I told you there are just 6 simple questions? Questions that are so powerful, so psychologically calibrated, they can actually make a woman feel an irresistible pull towards you? Not in a manipulative way, but in a way that sparks genuine connection and makes her see you as the intriguing, captivating man you truly are. Stick with me for the next few minutes because I'm going to reveal these 6 questions. I'm not just going to give them to you. I'm going to show you exactly why they work, how to ask them the right way, and the psychological triggers they activate that make her lean in, open up, and yes, start feeling that undeniable attraction. This isn't just theory. This is a proven structure that maximizes watch time and engagement because it delivers results. The problem is, most conversations are surface level. We talk about work, the weather, maybe a hobby. And while that's fine, it doesn't create emotional resonance. It doesn't tap into her dreams, her fears, her passions. And that's where true attraction begins. Imagine having conversations where she's practically hanging on your every word, where she feels understood, appreciated, and genuinely excited to be talking to you. That's the power of these questions. They're designed to bypass the small talk and go straight to the heart of what makes her tick. Are you ready to unlock that level of connection? All right, let's dive in. Question number 1. And this one is a game changer. What's the most exciting thing you're working on right now? Why is this so powerful? Because it immediately shifts the conversation from "what do you do?", which is boring and transactional, to "what are you passionate about?" It taps into her drive, her ambition, her goals. Everyone loves talking about something they're excited about. It shows you're interested in her growth, her aspirations, not just her job title. The key here is to listen actively and ask follow-up questions. Show genuine curiosity. This isn't an interview. It's a genuine exploration of what lights her up. When you show interest in her passions, you're showing interest in her. So question 1. What's the most exciting thing you're working on right now? Use it. Listen intently and prepare for her to light up. And trust me, the questions only get more powerful from here. Before we move on to question number 2, which is designed to tap into her deepest values, I want to ask you something. Have you ever asked a question that truly made someone's eyes light up? Share it in the comments below. I love hearing your experiences, and if you're finding this valuable so far, smash that like button. It helps the channel and tells me you want more content like this. All right, ready for question number 2? This one is subtle, but incredibly effective. It reveals what's truly important to her on a fundamental level. Question number 2. What's one thing you believe in so strongly you'd stand up for it even if you were the only one? This question bypasses superficial opinions and goes straight to her core values. It shows you're interested in her character, her principles, what she stands for. This is where you start to see the depth of who she is. It reveals her integrity and her courage. Listen carefully to her answer. It will tell you so much about her. This isn't about agreeing with her, it's about understanding and respecting her deeply held convictions. When you show genuine interest in her values, you're building a foundation of respect, which is crucial for long-term attraction. So, question 2. What's one thing you believe in so strongly you'd stand up for it even if you were the only one? Use this to understand her inner compass. You know, I remember talking to a woman once, and she shared how passionate she was about animal rights. She told me a story about rescuing a stray dog, and the way her eyes lit up, the emotion in her voice. It was incredibly attractive. It wasn't just about the topic. It was about her passion, her empathy, her willingness to fight for what she believed in. That conversation went from casual to deeply engaging in minutes, all because I asked a question that tapped into something meaningful to her. And that's the power of these questions. They're not just questions. They're keys that unlock her inner world. They show you're not afraid to go deeper, to explore who she is beyond the surface. And that, my friends, is incredibly attractive. Moving on to question number 3, which is designed to tap into her aspirations and desires. Question number 3. If you could wake up tomorrow having gained one quality or ability, what would it be? This question is fun and revealing. It bypasses the practical and goes straight to her dreams and desires. It shows you're interested in her potential, in who she wants to become. It reveals her values and her vision for herself. This question allows her to open up about her vulnerabilities and her hopes. It creates a space for her to be authentic and share her aspirations. When you show interest in her personal growth and dreams, you become someone she can envision growing with. So question 3. If you could wake up tomorrow having gained one quality or ability, what would it be? Use this to explore her aspirations and dreams. Now you might be wondering, why are these questions so effective? It's not magic, it's psychology. These questions tap into fundamental human needs: the need to be understood, the need to feel valued, and the need to share who we are. When you ask a question that goes beyond the superficial, you're showing genuine interest. That triggers a feeling of being seen and appreciated, which creates emotional resonance. Active listening and follow-up questions further reinforce this feeling, making her feel comfortable and safe to open up even more. This vulnerability and openness are key to building attraction. Let's move on to question number 4, which taps into her sense of accomplishment and self-worth. Question number 4. What's something you're really proud of accomplishing, big or small? This question gives her an opportunity to shine and share her successes. It shows you're interested in her achievements and that you appreciate her efforts. Everyone has something they're proud of, and talking about it feels good. Whether it's finishing a marathon, learning a new skill, or overcoming a personal challenge, her answer will reveal her resilience, her determination, and what she values in terms of achievement. Celebrating her wins, no matter how small, builds a positive association with you. So, question 4. What's something you're really proud of accomplishing, big or small? Use this to celebrate her successes and learn about her resilience. Now we're getting to the really juicy questions, the ones that create powerful emotional connections. But before we do, I have a challenge for you. Pick one of these questions and use it in your next conversation with someone you're interested in. Then, come back to this video and tell me what happened in the comments. Your experience could inspire someone else. And if you're serious about mastering the art of attraction and building deeper connections, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more content like this. We're building a community here of guys who are committed to becoming the best versions of themselves and attracting amazing relationships. All right, back to the questions. Question number 5, which taps into her values of kindness and gratitude. Question number 5, what's a small act of kindness someone did for you that you've never forgotten? This question evokes positive emotions and highlights her appreciation for others. It reveals her capacity for gratitude and her ability to recognize the good in people. It also gives you insight into what she considers acts of kindness, which can be very telling. Her answer here will give you a glimpse into her heart and her values. It shows you're interested in her emotional landscape and what resonates with her on a deeper level. Sharing in these positive memories creates a sense of warmth and connection. So, question 5. What's a small act of kindness someone did for you that you've never forgotten? Use this to tap into her gratitude and reveal her values. And now, for the final question. the one that often leads to incredibly insightful and vulnerable conversations. Question number 6. If you could give your younger self one piece of advice, what would it be and why? This question encourages reflection and reveals her wisdom, her regrets, and her growth. It shows you're interested in her journey and the lessons she's learned. It creates a sense of intimacy and vulnerability. Her answer will be deeply personal and reveal a lot about her character and her experiences. This question has the potential to create a powerful emotional connection and make her feel truly seen and understood. So there you have it. 6 questions that are designed to cut through the small talk and create genuine, powerful connections. 1. What's the most exciting thing you're working on right now? Taps into passion and drive. 2. What's one thing you believe in so strongly you'd stand up for it even if you were the only one? Reveals core values and integrity. 3. If you could wake up tomorrow having gained one quality or ability, what would it be? Explores aspirations and desires. 4. What's something you're really proud of accomplishing, big or small? Celebrates achievements and resilience. 5. What's a small act of kindness someone did for you that you've never forgotten? Reveals gratitude and values of kindness. 6. If you could give your younger self one piece of advice, what would it be and why? Encourages reflection and reveals wisdom. These questions work because they show genuine interest, they tap into her emotions and values, and they create a space for authentic connection. They make you stand out from the crowd and show her that you're interested in who she is, not just what she looks like or what she does. This is the foundation of attraction that lasts. Now it's your turn. Don't just watch this video, put these questions into practice. Start with 1 or 2 and see the difference they make. The more you use them, the more natural they'll become, and the more comfortable she'll feel opening up to you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with a friend who could benefit from it. And definitely subscribe to the channel for more proven strategies to improve your dating life and build incredible connections. Leave a comment below with your biggest takeaway from this video or the question you're most excited to try. Remember, genuine connection is the most powerful form of attraction. Use these questions to unlock deeper conversations, build rapport, and yes, make her absolutely crazy about the amazing man you are. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.